For this next problem, we have 30 is greater than or equal to 5 times x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 10. And the easiest way to do this is to break it into 2. And then the other one so I've broken it into 2, and then I'm going to do this, which I'll get 5x plus 20. And this one, I'll get 5x plus 20, of course, again. And then over here, I'm going to take off the 20 on both sides, and I'm going to end up with 10 greater than or equal to 5x. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 5, and I'll get 2. And then over here, I'm going to take off the 20. That's going to cancel out. I'm going to get 5x greater than or equal to negative 10. And then divide through by 5. And then, of course, I can write it as just 1. I'm going to go write it up here in a different color just so it stays within the camera's view.